in September of 2023, I ordered all of the Holbein Irodori Gouache sets, and I found out that they weren't all light fast, so I kind of stuffed them in a drawer, haven't used them, and now I'm going to put them in a palette and start using them in my sketchbook. An interesting thing is I found that there was a price hike now. Well, I don't know if it's tariffs or what it is, but this is the winter set, and back in September of 2023, I paid $40 for them, and now they're $94. And these are the colors included: crimson, iron oxide red, russet brown, dark brown, patina, russet green, geisha blue, hummingbird, peony, Ryuku gray, black, gold. And this is the spring set. And so when I bought these, they were $41, and now they're $94. And they include the colors vermilion, pale coral, Kira Japokina yellow, I don't even know how to pronounce that, lemon, light ochre, pale patina, seedling, meiosis blue, dayflower blue, bellflower, silver gray, antique silver. And this is the summer set. And I purchased this set for $39, and now it's $89. And the set includes scarlet, orange yellow, canola yellow, Taisha brown, spring green, evergreen, bamboo green, ultramarine, oriental blue, Edo violet, black, white. And this is the fall set. And I purchased this set for $41, and now it's $92. And the colors included are safflower red, orange, gardenia yellow, amur cork yellow, amber, dark brown, smoked bamboo, leek green, pine tree green, elm green, indigo, antique rich gold. And I bought a Medine palette to put them all in, which each set will fit in its own row, which is perfect. And now you can watch this sweet stop animation of me filling the pans. I don't know, I think this will help me just use them more, and I plan on just using them in my sketchbook. But I also do plan on doing a light fast test because I'm so curious about what colors are actually light fast and what are not, so maybe I can use it in more applications. And just from doing these swatches, I actually really like how these paints behave. So I made this little swatch palette to put in the palette, and I'm using Dorian's Wax Medium to coat the top so that if it gets wet, the colors won't like smear away or wash away or get mixed up. It'll make it waterproof essentially. I don't know, I just thought it was kind of interesting seeing the prices increase so much in 2 years because they almost doubled. And I know I originally bought them on sale, but it wasn't that big of a sale. I just found the pricing to be a bit interesting. And I'm glad to actually finally be using them now, because my goal is to not buy any new art supplies this year and just use what I have. Thanks for watching. Bye.